The Bose L1 portable line array system offers a powered loudspeaker setup into a portable and clutter-free stage arrangement for use as a performer, speaker, or as an entertainment center for your home or business. The advantage of the Bose L1 systems over other PA setups is the ability to set up and take down with very little effort or hassle while maintaining a high level of audio fidelity. There are 3 models in the system: the L1 Compact, the L1 Model 1S, and the L1 Model 2. The L1 Compact system is the smallest of the 3 and features 2 distinct arrangements depending on your needs. There's the collapsed tabletop position, which features a bass speaker as well as a removable speaker which houses 6 curved articulated line array speakers. You can also set it up in an extended position, which raises the speaker off the ground and mounts into the accompanying bass speaker. The bass speaker also houses the I/O of the L1 Compact system. You have an XLR connection, a 1/4-inch jack, RCA inputs, and an 1/8-inch input for connecting an iPod or MP3 player. You have volume control for each channel and master bass and treble EQ. The L1 system is designed to accommodate an audience size of roughly 100 people. The L1 Model 1S features a top array, which houses 12 speakers. The bottom bracket connects to the Model 1S power stand, and the top array fits snugly and tightly on top of the bottom bracket. The Model 1S power stand has articulating legs which fold in and out nicely for storage and setup. The stand also has connections for an analog input and a bass module out for your bass speaker, which is connected via speak-on cable connection. You also have an Ethernet connection for the Tone Match audio engine, which we will go over shortly. The L1 Model 1S is best suited for an audience size of roughly 300 people. The L1 Model 2 has the same speaker design as the Model 1S, but features both top and bottom speaker sets for a total of 24 speakers. The Model 2 features the same power stand as the Model 1S, but with a bass line out for adding an additional powered bass speaker. The L1 Model 2 has enough sound coverage to accommodate audience sizes of roughly 500 people. Both the Model 1S and the Model 2 power stands are able to provide power for the Bose L1 bass modules. They can be used to power one B2 bass module and up to 2 B1 bass modules. Additional bass modules will need to be powered with an amplifier like the Bose Pack-Lite power amplifier. The bass modules help to provide the extra bottom end that may be lacking in a band, DJ, or home theater application. The Model 1S and the Model 2 systems have Ethernet ports, which allow you to connect the T1 Tone Match audio engine. This interface has 3 XLR inputs and 5 total 1/4-inch inputs, an auxiliary and master output, as well as 3 preamp outs. There's also an option for connecting your computer via USB, as well as the Tone Match Ethernet port. The Tone Match audio engine has the ability to provide equalization and effects for your microphones and instruments. It also has presets for popular models of microphones and instruments to get the most performance out of your gear.